So what's up guys, and welcome back to Tech and Gaming Boy YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you the best Adobe Premiere Pro 1080p 60fps settings in this video. So let's start the video. So guys, the 1080p 60fps rendering settings or export settings is the best setting for an YouTube video or any video. It is the best. I also use this setting. This is my personal setting, the 1080p 60fps. So guys, at first the thing you do is that open your Adobe Premiere Pro. Open it. I have already opened. Now click the file icon. Now click new project. Now click new project. Now click project. And guys, name your project like me. Like I'll be naming it example. Then guys, the renderer should be Mercury playback engine software only, and the preview case should be none, and this should be timecode, this should be audio samples, and this should be DV, and this should be this. Keep everything default in these settings. Also keep everything default in these settings. Now click OK. And guys, wait. So guys, you can see that the editing tab is opened. Now drag and drop your videos. Like me, I will drag and drop this video. Wait. And guys, now edit your videos. After my video editing is finished, I will meet you. So guys, you can see that my video editing is finished. Now I will show you how to export/render your video. Now click the file. In 1080p 60fps settings, how to export a video. Now click export. Now click media. And guys, here will be a custom option. And guys, the format will be H.264. The preset will be custom. Guys, the video settings will be width 1920, height 1080. And guys, so here is the part where you can choose a name for your video. Like I will be naming it example. So guys, now your video will be saved as example, or the name you will choose. Like I have chosen the name, you can see the output name example, and if you choose the output name video, so your video will be saved at video, but I will choose the output name as an example. And guys, now come to the video tab. And guys, I'm again telling you the format will be H.264. The preset will be custom. The output name, you can choose any name. And guys, this export video will be checked and export audio will be checked. Now come to the video tab. And guys, you can see that the width must be 1920 and the height must be 1080. And guys, you can see that the way, if you uncheck this, you can change your quality, but no. Keep it checked. Keep the width 1920 and the height 1080. And guys, uncheck this and change the frame rate to 60. And guys, this should be progressive. This should be square pixels 1.0, and this should be NTSC. And guys, must check this render at maximum depth. And guys, encoding settings, this should be performance should be software encoding by default. And guys, you have to uncheck this and change the profile main to high. And guys, the level should be 4.2, and check this. No guys, uncheck this and make the level to 4.2 and scroll down Guys, this should be the same default. This should be default. And guys, you have to change the bitrate encoding from CBR to VBR to pass. And guys, the target bitrate must be 12 and the maximum bitrate must be 24. Don't change it. This is the main important part. And scroll down. Guys, this should be default and this should be default. And guys, now check this. Use maximum render quality. And guys, now go to the audio tab. And guys, select the AAC audio format. This should be AAC. This should be 48,000 Hz. This should be this, the last one, and this should be stereo. Channels should be stereo. Not this, the channel should be stereo. Now scroll down, and guys, the audio quality must be in high. Scroll down, and guys, here the bitrate settings must be in 320. Now scroll down, and guys, this is also, it should must be in the bitrate settings. So guys, your 1080p 60 fps rendering settings is done. And guys, now you want to render or export your every videos in 1080p 60 fps settings, and you don't want to apply these settings every time. Don't worry guys, I have a solution for you. You can save these settings by clicking this save preset, and guys, name it like I'll be naming it example, and then click OK. So your video should be saved. Sorry guys, your setting should be saved. Guys, I have already saved it, so that's why I will not save it again. You can see that I have already saved the preset. You can see that the YouTube video settings, it is the setting 1080p 60 fps. And guys, now hit the export button. So guys, I will not export this video because it's an example. And guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.